All right, so you're ready to really dive deep into AI agents,
Sounds like it.
and we are ready to help you get the absolute most out of yours.
We've got all your notes right here.
We do, and we're going to help you pull out all the good stuff, the most useful stuff, the stuff you can use to improve.
Yeah. Cut through all that noise.
Exactly. So let's jump right in.
AI agents.
Everyone's talking about them, right?
Yeah. All the hype.
How do you actually make them work for you? That's the question, right?
Right. And your notes actually point out something really important.
Yeah.
So many people, they want to jump right in and start building an AI agent.
Yeah. Get right to it.
But they haven't even figured out what they want it to do.
Oh, they haven't thought about the goals.
Exactly.
So what are we building?
Yeah. So before even writing any code, what problem are you actually trying to solve? Like, what specific tasks do you want this agent to take care of?
I like that. You go to the hardware store,
Yeah.
you don't just buy every tool.
Right.
You got to know what you're building
Yeah.
first. So let's say you're like really struggling to stay on top of market research. You know, the AI world is changing so fast.
Oh, yeah. It's moving so quickly.
A generic AI agent might give you some data,
Sure.
but what if you could have an agent that was built to specifically look at AI market trends?
Oh, that's what you need.
Now that's a game changer, right?
That's powerful. And that leads right into finding your niche.
Yes.
It's not just building any AI agent.
Right.
It's about building one that uses your strengths.
Yeah, what are you good at?
Exactly. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about?
You know, the founder whose notes we're looking at, they actually started with an AI agent that automated one of their own tasks.
Oh, so practical.
I mean, talk about scratching your own itch.
Yeah, they knew the problem inside and out.
And they could see how an AI agent could solve it.
Exactly. And that's a great starting point.
Okay, so let's talk about user experience for a second.
Okay.
We've all used those apps.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
just so clunky and frustrating.
Even if the technology behind it is amazing.
Even if it is.
Yeah, if I can't figure it out, if it's a pain to use.
What's the point?
Exactly. And the notes emphasize this. Even the smartest AI is totally useless if people can't or won't use it.
Yeah, they even mentioned a case study
Oh, yeah, I remember this one.
where just a simple redesign of how the agent's interface looked
Yeah.
made a huge difference.
Huge.
People actually started using it.
Exactly. They focused on clear instructions, so people knew what to do, visual feedback, so they knew what was happening, and they made it sound more human.
So it felt more conversational.
Yeah, more natural.
And that makes a big difference.
It does.
Okay, now I know sometimes security and privacy, they kind of get pushed to the back burner.
Yeah, especially when you're excited about building something new.
You just want to get it out there.
Correct. Get it working.
But these notes, they really stress how important it is to think about these things from the very beginning.
Yeah, and there's a good reason for that. The source mentions a case where a company's AI agent was hacked,
Oh, no.
and it exposed all this sensitive data.
Oof, that's a good reminder.
It is. These agents often handle really important information, so you got to have strong security.
Think of it like you're building a vault
Right?
to protect all that precious digital stuff.
You got it.
So what are you doing to make sure that your AI agent is secure? You know, especially considering the kind of work you do.
You're in a unique position.
Yeah, think about the information you're handling.
Absolutely.
Okay, now building an AI agent, it's not a one and done kind of thing.
Definitely not.
You know, you don't just build it and then forget
The
about it.
founder we're talking about is really big on this idea of iteration.
Constant improvement,
Yeah, you got to keep getting feedback and keep making it better.
which makes sense because the AI world is changing all the time.
Oh, constantly. New technologies, new techniques.
And new user expectations.
Yeah, they expect more and more.
So how do you stay on top of all that?
Well, you have to actively seek out input.
From data
Yeah.
and from real users.
Talk to the people who are using your agent.
See what they like, what they don't like.
Exactly.
See what's working and what's not.
And be ready to change things based on what you learn.
Okay, now let's be real for a second. None of us can do everything ourselves right.
Oh, definitely not.
And the notes, they talk about how important collaboration is, especially when it comes to something as complex as building AI.
You might be amazing at coding, but maybe you need someone who's really good at design to make that user interface we were talking about.
Yeah? Or maybe you need someone who knows how to market it.
So people understand why your agent is so great.
Exactly. And remember, you don't have to have all the answers.
No way.
Sometimes the best solutions come from working with other people,
Bouncing ideas around.
getting different perspectives.
Totally. And when it comes to AI, that diversity of thought is so valuable.
All right, so you've got clear goals.
Check.
You found your niche.
Yeah.
You've made it user-friendly.
Check.
You've got strong security and a plan to keep making it better. you're collaborating with others, and staying on top of all the changes in the AI world.
Sounds like you're on the right track.
You're on your way to building something really amazing.
You got this?
This has been a fantastic deep dive.
So much good stuff.
And remember, this is just the beginning.
Oh yeah, the AI world is only getting bigger.
And actually, your notes have some great links to resources about AI agents.
Oh, those are really helpful.
You should definitely check them out. Who knows, maybe your AI agent will be the next big thing.
It could be.
Good luck.
We're rooting for you.